Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to download and install Ozu in Windows 10. So let's get started. So first thing what you need to do is you need to just type download Ozu in Google. You will be getting the first link as download Ozu some PPY. Just click that, and in this you'll be having two options. One is the blue color one, which is download Ozu for Mac OS and for Windows. I will go with the Windows one. So this is something called as Laser, which is the next major update. So if you want you can just try that, but I will go with just a stable version now. So it's so small in size, just around 4.3 MB. So that's so small, it hardly would take seconds. You just click on open and you'll be getting hi Ozu will install in this particular location. Click here to change the location. Yeah, I want to change this location, so I will select my local disk D. If you want you can also change it. Yeah, so once we change the location, the download will be getting automatically started and the installation process will take place also. Just be patient. So after logging in, you will be getting an interface like this. So just click on Ozu and you'll be having the play option. Just click on play and I'll go with solo now. So here in this you'll be having a search option. Type to search, just click on that and you're just going to type for tutorial. Alright, so you'll be having this new beginnings tutorial. So you can just click on that and it's super useful. So here you can write. We'll be getting the basics of this map.
This is a game about circles. When the approach circle,
so you can just go through this and you can learn how to play Ozu. So I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done many tutorials in programming and stuff. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.